Alright, thanks for viewing. This video should be short, sweet, and to the point. My name is Michelle Coggins and I'm the owner of Baby Faye Bilingual. I'm just going to be showing you one of our products that is on Teacher Pay Teacher right now. You don't have to have our product to do what I'm about to show you, but it would be nice. This is our complete place value unit that operates on Google Slides. What I'm going to teach you today is how to make a GIF using Google Slides, and I'm going to show you on this example with a hundreds chart how we're going to show our work adding on this hundreds chart. It's actually a 120 chart. So we're going to make a GIF, and if for those of you who don't know, a GIF is kind of like a moving picture. It just shows you frame by frame, and it's not like a fluid video, but just a collection of still images. So in this example, for this piece of the place value unit, we are using a 120 chart to add a single digit number, but all of the numbers are changeable, and so you can do whatever you want. I'm just doing this just to be quick and to the point and show how this works. So let's get started. We have a transparent square. When you move it, you still can see the number. And so you're going to have the students follow each step. And after each step, they're going to duplicate the slide and then follow the next step. So let me show you how that works. The first step is to find the number. So we're going to find the number 74. And at this point, you should have already taught them how to do that. And so, assuming you've taught it, they find the number 74. Now we finished one step, so we're going to go over to the sidebar and control click or right click, and then you duplicate the slide. Now you're working on the new slide, and you're going to do the next step, add 3. Now, you don't want to just jump 3. The whole point of this is to show your work, and so you want to show each move. And so to add 3, first you have to add 1, and we're going to duplicate. Then you add 2, duplicate. Then you add 3, duplicate. Now I have added 3, and I have to say where I landed. I landed on 77. Now I need to duplicate again. Then I come down here and I complete my number sentence. 74 plus 3, which is the work we just did, equals wherever we landed, which is 77. Now I like to jazz it up, and you can teach your kids how to do this. Depending on their age, they might find it difficult or exciting. I find it exciting. I pick one of these bursts, is what I like to call them, burst of fun, and I change the color, the fill color, to red because I like red. It pops. Then I right click or control click and I order it so that it's not in front of the number. I send it to the back. Boom. And that's it. Now, technically, you can submit the work like this. You see, I'm just scrolling through the sidebar and that's it. But you could also consolidate these slides into one GIF and submit the work like that. So that's what I'm about to show you now. Up here in the add-ons, you have to get add-ons, and you're going to look for Creator Studio. Now, if you are like me and your primary account is not the one you're working on, so your default account is not the one you're working on. Say you're trying to sign up for this add-on on your work email, but your default email when you open your Google Chrome browser is actually your personal email. You want to log out of all your Gmail accounts. Log out of all of them, and then the first one you log back into should be whichever one you want to add this add-on to. I learned that the hard way, had to do a little research, but I'm giving you a shortcut. So basically this will not work if you're trying to do it in a different account than the default one. So log out of all the accounts and log back onto the one that you're trying to do this with. So then you get Creator Studio, and once it's on your options, you're going to open it, and then it's very easy from here. So I don't know all the output widths. I'm not that techie, but I do know that I like it when it's 800. So 800, and then I've played around with this a little bit, and you can too. I like 1.5 seconds. It's really up to you. Um, it's not that big of a deal. I just kind of like it. And then we're going to do an animated GIF. Scroll down, go, and boom, it's just that fast. Now I'm going to download it. So now it's in my downloads. So I'm going to go to my Finder. If you have a PC, then I don't remember exactly where you go, but basically go to your downloads and look for it. Should be the last thing you downloaded. Then you're going to open it in, I open it in Google Chrome so that you can see it. If you open it in preview, it's going to come up as images, which defeats the purpose. So open it in Google Chrome and you can see how it's going to play out. See? And that is it. And so when you upload it into your Google Classroom, you don't upload this slides document, you upload your GIF document that's in your downloads. And that's how your teacher will see it. And so this is what you want to teach your students. I think it's just a fun way to show your work and show kind of the process that you're teaching your kids, and it can be used across the boards. This particular document has hundreds chart and place value blocks and tens frame, so you can show your work with multiple manipulatives or tools. So I definitely think it's something worth checking out, and if not, I hope that this video at least helped you come up with a new way to engage your students. Let's have a great year, you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.